Hello children, welcome back to today's session. And today we are going to start our reading the new blue dress. The new blue dress. Okay. So before starting our today's class, in the previous class, page number 18, there are glossary are there, and beneath the glossary, there are few questions are there. Answer the following questions, isn't it? So in the questions, write first three questions. And come to the first lesson. Reading, page number 6. First, second, third, sixth, ninth, 10th questions. First question, second, third, and sixth, and ninth, and 10th questions. And these questions write in your notebook, and answers you will find in your workbooks. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, and we are going to finish our first period with this reading the new blue dress. All of you open page number 19. Are you having textbooks? Yeah, good. Follow when I am reading. When spring came to the city of Cleverland in 1919, it did not change Gate Avenue. So, in our cities, what happened? There will be streets will be there, isn't it? There will be streets. Streets will be there, no? Isn't it? So streets will be there, and here beside your houses will be there. Houses will be there. Isn't it? Houses will be there. And think that is one of the street. But what is the street name called? Gate Avenue. Gate Avenue. Gate Avenue. Okay, so people who lived on the pretty streets near Gate Avenue were making gardens and painting their house, but Gate Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. So in the in the city of Cleverland in 1990, then in the street of Gate Avenue, beside the streets, all they what are doing? They're repairing, they're painting, they're doing garden work, and all they're making clean. But whereas the street of Gate Avenue is very dirty. It is very dirty, and no one is cleaning. Okay, it looks very ugly and dirty. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seems longer because it was so ugly. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. So the people who are living in Gate Avenue are very poor people. Okay, the people who are living in Gate Avenue, the people who are living in the street of Gate Avenue are very poor people. They have very little money. They never spend to have any more. They never accept to have any more. They never worry about anything. Only what they have, they are without only they are doing. For example, whether the house is dirty, whether their dress is dirty, they are not bothering. Only they are doing their work and they are not cleaning themselves, and they looks very ugly. And compare with 20, their houses had not been painted for many years. There are no paintings. Okay, and they did not even have running water. There was no water also. The street itself was very ugly too. Come to the street, for example, look in Sudan, some streets will be very ugly. The drainage will be coming out, and there will be no people will be worrying about it. It looks very ugly. There was no street lights, and there was no railroad at the end of the Gate Avenue, adding smell and dirty. What happened? There was roads were not clean. There was no proper water, no lights, no street lights, and no one is bothering about it. And it is completely dirty, and you are getting ugly, and it is also smell, lot of dirty smell. The other girls in the school near the Gate Avenue wore new pretty clothes that spring. But the little girl from Gate Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had torn all winter. worn all the winter. Probably that was only one, that only dress she wore. So other girls, those study in the school, for example, the near to a street of Gate Avenue there is no school, and other students they will come from other streets, not from the Gate Avenue, from other streets. Those who come, they used to come with a nice dress and a nice uniform, nice dress they used to wear. But whereas there is one girl used to come from the Gate Avenue, and that girl used to wear only one dress, and it is very dirty, and she has been wearing that dress from many days, and that is the only one dress that she is having. One day, the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school? Tomorrow morning, please do that just for me." One day, the teacher told, "What the teacher told? Won't you wash your face?" Without coming to school, without washing your face, you are coming like that. For example, if you come without washing your face, how all will look at you? Very wonderfully and very disappointed. They all look at you. So what happened? The teacher is telling, please before tomorrow when you come to school, please wash yourself. Come neatly. She was telling. Okay. Then what happened? Let's see. The next morning, the child prettily face was clean. Her hair was dirty. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So the next one what happened? She had washed her face neatly and she came to school. And after some times later the teacher said, what the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your clothes." Okay, see, appearance was dirty and her clothes only completely dirty. Okay, then what she was doing? She was doing step by step. One day you wash your face and come. Next day you ask your mother to wash your clothes. But the girl continued to wear the same dress, dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her. The teacher thought, oh, she brought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The girl took the gift early and rushed home. So when she went home, and maybe her mother might be not interested to wash the clothes. Okay, sometimes what happens, parents also sometimes they neglect. Sometimes they not bother. In the same way, this little girl mother also, she was not bothering. Even the girl said she was not bothering. So having pity on the little girl, the teacher himself he brought a new blue dress. He has brought a new blue dress. And when the teacher gave, see if you look at the page number 20, you can see the picture. The teacher is giving the dress to the little girl. Yes? Yeah. So when the teacher gave the little dress, immediately the girl was very happy. Why? Because she has been wearing the old dirty dress from many days onwards. And being, for example, when anyone our uncle or parents or any brother, if they give any gift, what happens? Immediately we feel very happy and we take it from them. Isn't it? Same way, this girl also felt very happy and he took the new blue dress and ran away and rushed to the home. Let's see what happened. The next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. The next morning, what happened? She was worn the new blue dress and she came very neatly and she looks very beautiful. And she told to her teacher, "My mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in this new blue dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at the supper tonight." She was full of anxiety. She was very excitement. She was very excited and she was telling, "When I wore this new blue dress, even my mother did not believe, and my father did not see went for work. But I will show to my father when he come to home in the evening during the supper time." So what happened when we give any gift to our children, maybe small kids, they feel very happy, isn't it? Yeah, we can see in their faces how they happy they are. Same way, this girl was very happy, and why? Because because after wearing new dress after a long time, what happened? For example, for any festivals or any birthday, if you are wearing, if your parents are giving present in some new dress, we feel very happy, isn't it? The same way, this girl also felt very happy because wearing new dress after a long time, she felt very, very happy and she was excited. She was full of excitement. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little little girl. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We are going to begin to the tinder here, his wife said. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. So what happened in the evening? When he came from work, when he saw his daughter, he felt very happy by looking at this little girl and he was amazed. Okay, he was amazed to find that she was in a new blue dress, and also what he was saying, during the when the family, when they are having supper, okay, he has amazed found a new cloth near the on the on the dining table. By looking at that cloth, he felt very ashamed, and he felt very ashamed himself, because he himself was very dirty and he was very ugly. He was very dirty and ugly, and by looking at his girl, he too felt very sad because he was not clean. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Okay, when after supper, what happened? Our mothers also cleaned the kitchen. No? Same way, in the story, the little girl mother also cleaning the floor, and the kitchen floor. And when she was cleaning, this was the mother observing. First time she was cleaning, because of it, the change was taken from her daughter. By looking at the daughter, the mother also changed. When she was cleaning, her father was silently watching. Then he went out. He began to prepare the fans. Fans means the surroundings where we have fences means chuttu goda, intu chuttu prakar goda something prakari. Then in the next evening, with the family help, he began to make work. So before this, whatever he was not interested to do any work, and he was very dirty. When the girl is wearing new dress and her wife is started to cleaning the kitchen, he too started went and was repairing the fences, and by the help of his family, he slowly digging the garden and started garden work. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing, and by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. What happened? When this family was doing cleaning the house and digging the garden, preparing the garden, the neighbor, okay, one who is living beside his house, he has looked what is happening, and he too started cleaning the house and started painting to the houses. For the first time in the 10 years, a few days later, a young minister of church near Gate Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. After this very first time, after many times, okay, after 10 years or very later, a young minister means mantri, maybe sometimes or MLS will come now, passing corporators, some politicians. So in that one minister, the minister of the church near to the Gate Avenue, he was passing by the Gate Avenue road. When he was passing on the road, he has seen the two houses. It was very clean, and they are painting and they are working. And by looking at all this, what he had done, for the first time he had noticed that these people were prevented on the Great Avenue. Okay, and no street light, no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes are here deserve help. The minister thought, he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. So what happened? By looking at all this, there was no street lights and there was no water, and the streets are very dirty. So what happened? He noticed all that and he wanted to help them. So he went to the city and he asked some important people, some rich people, to help the Gate Avenue to get the water and to clean get the lights in the street and clean the roads. So a few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pivot on the Gate Avenue. There was a street light on the corner and the house had running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gate Avenue had become a tatty street where respectable citizens live. So after a few months later, what happened? The Gate Avenue became a very beautiful street, and it was started to live in very good people, rich people started living in the Gate Avenue. Before where it was, how was the Gate Avenue? It was very dirty, and people used to live and people used to hate it, and it was very ugly and looks very dirty. And whereas after few months, when these people started doing cleaning in their houses, when looking at all this, the minister helped them have a street light and have a water and clean the roads. People started liking them, and people started to respect, and also some rich people, respected citizens also came to live in the street of Gate Avenue. when people in the other place heard the story of Gate Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaign. So when they heard about this, the story of Gate Avenue, okay, this is a story. This is one of the small story. When they heard about this Gate Avenue, so what happened in many countries, okay, and also organizations also, what they have started, they have started a program of, what is the program? Clean up. They have started the campaign of clean up campaigns since 1913. More than 700 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing houses and making better lives for the people who living there. So what happened? Slowly the people started cleaning and repairing. Since from 1930, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaign cleaning up. That's why we say. That's why during the lockdown, what happened? Okay, many all the politicians and actors, the busy people, all what happened? They are helping in the family and cleaning the houses. They are taking some challenges, okay, gardening and cleaning kitchen, washing clothes. All they have taken some and cleaning, repairing all this. The same way in the year of 1930, they have started cleaning up campaign and many streets and towns are repaired and it was became a life. They have started it. So who knows what will happen when a teacher gives little dress to a new blue dress? Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new dress? Do we think that, or do any people think that because of giving a dress, a new blue dress to a little girl, a teacher, when the teacher gave a new blue dress, do we think that the entire street of Gate Avenue will be changed? No, no one thought. But because of the teacher, when the teacher gave new blue dress, by looking at that, parents are changed. By looking at that, the neighbors are changed. By the neighbors, the whole street has been changed. With this street, with this story, many streets and towns has been changed. So from this lesson, what you have to do? You must clean up. At least weekly once we have to clean up our houses. We must help our parents and we must help our brothers to clean our house. Okay, students, I hope you all understood the lesson. Yes. So this is a very small story which will help us to have a cleanliness on our body, cleanliness in our surrounding, cleanliness in our home. Okay, I hope you all understood. And there are some glossary are there of the video. So once again, read your lessons carefully, and there are glossary. Write the glossary, and also there are 3 questions are there. Write these first three questions. Okay. Okay, finish your classwork very soon. Don't keep pending. Okay? Yeah. If still anyone not having test books and workbooks, please come to school and collect it. Okay? Have a good day. Thank you.